Dear students, today we'll be starting with the question and answers, track your progress and assessment zone of chapter number 11, that is force and pressure. So first track your progress question is fill in the blanks. This we have discussed in our live class also. First one is dash is the SI unit of force, that is Newton. Second is force can change the dash and dash of a moving body, that is speed and direction. Third is force is a dash quantity, that is measurable quantity. The next one is match the following. An apple falls down from a tree, that is gravitational force. A football rolls on the ground, that is frictional force. A nail clings to a magnet, is magnetic force. A bullock pulls a cart, that is muscular force. Bits of paper attracted to a charged ruler is electrostatic force. Force employed by the machine parts is mechanical force. So this is match the following. Next, track your progress is third question. Observe the forces acting on the boxes A, B and C. So first is box A will move towards left direction because 8 Newton force is in left direction and 3 Newton is in right direction. So after we minus it, that means 8 minus 3, it will be 5 Newton towards left direction. So the box will move in left direction. Next is box B will not move. It will not move because the 7 Newton force is acting from both the sides and opposite. That means from left hand side also it is 7 and from right hand side also it is 7 because 4 plus 3 is 7. Then it will not move. The forces will cancel out each other, that is equal and opposite in direction. Then in box C, 6 and 3 Newton force is acting towards right hand side and 8 Newton force is also acting towards right hand side direction. So this will add on and the box C will move towards right direction. So the net forces on boxes A, B and C will be 5 Newton on box A because 8 minus 3 will be there, and on box B it is 0 as I have told you, and on box C it is 17 Newton, 8 plus 3 plus 6. So total will be 17 because it is in same direction. So it will add on. Next is question number 4. What will be the force exerted by a solid if it exerts 700 Newton of force on an area of 7 meters square? So as you know that the formula is pressure is equals to force upon area. So it will be 700 upon 7. That will be 100 Pascal or 100 Newton per meter square. So this is the answer of fourth. Fifth one is a pressure of 60 Pascal acts on a smooth surface of area 2 meter square. Calculate the force applied on the surface. So it will be P is equals to F upon A. So F force is equals to P multiply. So that will be 60 into 2, 120 Newton force will be there in this one. Next, track your progress is true and false. First is liquids exert same pressure at the same depth. That is true. The top of a dam is made narrower than its bottom. That is also true because the bottom of the dam is wide and the top is narrower. Third is the atmospheric pressure is minimum at the surface of earth. That is false because it is maximum at the surface of earth, and as we move at higher altitudes the atmospheric pressure will decrease. The height of mercury column is equivalent to 1 atmosphere. That is also false because it is not necessary always that mercury column height will represent only 1 atmosphere. It depends on the particular place that the height of mercury will change and the pressure will also change. So it is not always 1 atm or 1 atmosphere. Now let's do the assessment zone. First one is choose the correct answer. MCQs. Question number 1. Which of the following force is a contact force? So the answer is frictional force, as gravitational, magnetic and electrostatic are non-contact forces. Two objects repel each other. The repulsion could be due to magnetic force, electrostatic force, gravitational, or both A and B. So answer will be both A and B, because magnetic and electrostatic forces are both attractive as well as repulsive. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a unit of pressure? It is kg per meter square, because Pascal, Newton per meter square and ATM, all three units are the units of pressure. Next, question number 4. In which direction is liquid pressure always directed? It is in all directions, because it exerts pressure on the wall of the container in which it is kept. What is the value of atmospheric pressure at sea level? So it is both B and C, because 76 centimeter column of mercury is also equal to 760 mm column of mercury. So both B and C are correct. Question number 6. For a given force, what will be the effect of an increase in area of contact on pressure? So it is that pressure will decrease. On increasing the area of contact, pressure decreases, because both are inversely proportional to each other. Next, B is fill in the blanks. The gaseous envelope surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. Second is the drinking straw works on the account of atmospheric pressure, as we have studied in implications of atmospheric pressure, that is applications. Next is dash is used for measure atmospheric pressure, that is barometer. Fourth one is two equal forces are said to be balanced when they act from opposite directions. Opposite and equal forces, they are balanced forces, and the net force becomes 0. Next is pressure dash as we go deep inside sea, that is the pressure increases as we go deep inside the sea. Dash is a device used to measure the pressure exerted by liquids, that is manometer, which is used. Seventh one, 1 atm is equals to 1.013 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. This value has been given in your book also. So 1 atm is equals to this much Newton per meter square. Question number 8 is the sharp end of the knife has dash surface area. So you can write small surface or less surface area. C exercise. State true or false. A boy riding a bicycle applies non-contact force. So that is false, because the frictional force is acting between the bicycle and the road. So it is contact force. Second is gases exert pressure only in downward direction. That is also false, because gases and liquids both exerts pressure in all the directions, not in a particular direction. Third is a balanced force can change the state of motion. That is also false, because due to balanced force, the net force becomes 0 and there will be no change in the state of motion. Next question, fourth is force is specified only by its magnitude but not direction. This is false, because force is specified by both magnitude and direction. Next is gravitational force is always attractive. That is true, because gravity always pulls things towards itself. That is attractive. Sixth is to increase pressure, either force has to be increased or the area of contact has to be decreased. So this is true, because force is directly proportional to pressure, whereas area of contact is inversely proportional to pressure.